Isang Panginoon ang hiling namin lahat.
Seek to do what is right and just. Inspire them with the example of your Son, Jesus Christ, who came not to be served, but to serve. May they lead with humility, integrity, and compassion. Always.
Pinapayanan mo na sa butil ng trigo, pagkain nagbibigay ng buhay.
Certificate of Authorization. This certificate is currently presents to for her outstanding contribution and dedicated services to the Filipino community of St. Michael Cabagoy Catholic Church. Your efforts and commitment have made a significant impact and are truly appreciated. Given this 12th of January 2025. Signed, Paris Priest, Reverend Father Pedro C. Tomaselli, PIME. Date, January 5, 2025. Givina R. Suzuki. Marisa Hayashi. Anthony Ikayo. Minor Loda. Brenda Pablo. Maria Sebastian Oba. Ana Maria Camino. Elena Hayashi. Erica Lorraine Emilio. Nina Java. Abigail Shimoshi. Carla Lorraine Delma. Annalisa Hay. Dina Edo. Gladys Mansueto. Noel Villarreal. Larry Bonilla. James Paul Seguera. Lloyd Esilio. Roger Orihuela. Norman Papagino. Carl Seth Elma. Oliver Carlos. Guillermo Carlos.
Dari,
Baba,
alam mo nakalimutan ka namin. Hindi na yung makakalimutan. You're still a member.
Okay, congratulations on many of
Sasama na ko sa panin. Okay na?
kanilang pangalan